Hello one and all. Today we are dealing with the chitinolytic fungi. The primary habitat of chitinolytic fungi is soil, where chitinolytic activity of fungi exceed than bacteria. The common fungal species involved in chitinolysis include mucorales like Mortarella species and Deuteromycetes and Ascomycetes like Aspergillus, Verticillium, Thilevia, Trichoderma, Penicillium, Humicola, etc. The chitinolytic system in these fungi is inducible and the activity increases with the increase in chitin-rich substrate. Freshwater species like Chytriomyces and Carlingia are obligate chitinophile that degrade chitin to fulfill their nutritional requirement. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.